In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple Slack accounts seamlessly. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or working with different teams, having all your Slack workspaces in one place can significantly improve your workflow and communication efficiency. Let's dive into the process of adding and managing multiple Slack accounts on your computer. First, let's begin by launching Slack on your computer. This can be the desktop application or your web browser. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in your current workspace. Direct your attention to the left sidebar where all the magic happens. It's here in the sidebar that you'll notice your workspace icon, a little circle that represents where you currently are. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll see the option to Add a Workspace. Selecting this takes you to a new screen dedicated to signing into another workspace. There's no need to worry. This is an intuitive, user-friendly process that Slack has streamlined for your convenience. A new window will appear, prompting you to either enter the URL for the workspace you wish to join or simply type in the email address associated with it. Once you've inputted your details, press enter. Now it's time to sign in using your credentials. Whether you're using an email and password combination or a single sign-on service that your organization has set up, just follow the prompts. If you've opted for an email login, ensure you have easy access to your inbox in case there's an authentication step needed. After entering your details and passing through any necessary verification steps, you will have successfully added another workspace to your Slack account. If you have multiple workspaces to add, simply repeat the process. There's no limit to how many workspaces you can toggle between, which really opens up possibilities for those managing numerous projects or working in varied team environments. Now that you've added your desired workspaces, you'll likely wonder how to switch between them efficiently. Fortunately, Slack has anticipated this need by letting you toggle between workspaces with ease. In the sidebar, each workspace you've added will have its icon lined up vertically. Simply click the icon of the workspace you want to jump into, and just like that, you're directed right where you need to be. Understanding how to use multiple Slack accounts isn't just about adding them, it's about optimizing your experience. Keeping your workspaces organized and accessible allows you to focus on what really matters, collaboration and productivity, and that's it. Following these straightforward steps, you should now have a well-organized set of Slack workspaces at your fingertips, ready to leverage the power of communication across different teams and projects. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy Slacking.